The Classic Auto Mall is like going to the greatest indoor car show in the country. With more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles for sale via consignment in our 8-acre climate-controlled showroom, we've got something for everyone. We're open to the public most days, plus you can also easily search our inventory online at classicautomall.com. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media for the latest updates. Classic Auto Mall is located in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, 1 hour west of Philadelphia, right off the turnpike. For more information or to view our inventory of more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles, visit classicautomall.com.